Libmanan, Camarines Sur. I am so tired and exhausted. Oh my gosh. That is 1:32 p.m. I thought I love traveling, but by this time I do really hate because of the rough roads, uneven pavements, damaged pavements on the roads. On the road. Oh, I wanna get there in Legazpi before the sun comes down. But for now,